Keto Bell. And I'm from the Bronx, and I'm like to say, okay, I'm here. Hey, you're supposed to look at me. Do you want me to take off my weave and beat you? You're supposed to look at me when I'm talking to you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna dance for you today. Okay. 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 Oh no. Okay. 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 Do it. Do it. My feet, they're fat. Come on, do it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. We're gonna do it today. Okay. Okay. All right. That was a preview of my dance. So I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.